Hey, Tantafu, it's real groovy being here today. Feels like this dream I once had when I was just a scruffy pup with a shoebox guitar. I was dreaming of heading out on my own, wandering wherever my road would take me. Dreaming of finding a magical place where cool cats like you would come together to see a stray like me. Sorry about that. I do run on. Time to get your fingers snapping. Right on. This one goes out to all you cool cats on Tantaru. I call it Welcome Horizons. Thank you so much. Maybe I'll catch you next time. Hello, Meloetta. Oh. Did you enjoy KK's concert? It was wonderful, wasn't it? I'm overjoyed that we could get him to play here. It's a special thing for sure. As a commemorative gift, I have his song Welcome Horizons for you. To listen to it, you'll need an item that can play music, and I do hope you enjoy it. I have some big news too. KK is apparently very fond of our island now. He's going to perform here. He's going to perform a show here every Saturday evening from now on. It really is amazing. Tantaru was once a deserted island, but now we can host important concerts. I'm so thankful to you and everyone else on this island. I guess my getaway package idea is a success. I hope Tantara remains an enjoyable place to live for a long time to come. With your help, it will. Speaking of which, I've developed a new app that should help you make the island even more inviting. Let me send it to you now. The app I've just sent you is called Island Designer. It's a special app from Nook Inc. that gives residents the ability to take part in bold island development. At first you'll only have permission to create paths, but you can use your miles to access more options, like different kinds of paths and permits for changing our cliffs and rivers. Once you get a taste of island design, I think you'll want more. I encourage you to obtain all the necessary permits. Yes, Tentafu has come a long way. I think I'll leave more and more of the future development of this island in the hands of its residents. I'm glad we had this talk, Meloetta. On behalf of Nook Inc., I'm excited about our continued partnership in your Tentafu plans. Wow! Well, now that KK has performed here, it's time to focus on making island life better and better. That means living each day to the fullest, doing things I like, and having lots of fun. Hello, everyone. My name is Meloetta. Welcome back to some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. Yesterday, we finally achieved the ability. We finally achieved 3 stars in our island, and now we have KK, and he'll be appearing every Saturday evening. This island designer. Hold on, let me actually read this stuff. This app helps you develop and shape the island through construction projects that you direct. You can redeem your Nook miles at the Nook stop for additional construction options and new path varieties. There is also a cleanup service in case you are doing construction work and find yourself stuck due to items and such around you. For more information on what this cleanup service involves, or on any of the other app features, please check the manual within the app. So go ahead, try your hand at this app and start shaping your island to your own personal preferences. Let's actually try this out. Get permission for construction. Island designer is ready. Switch between different construction options. Alright, now we're going to do grass. Okay, so for right now we're going to do grass and dirt. No, not that. That's how I get rid of it. How do I make it curve? Let's do a 2x2 real quick. How do I make this curve? Oh, like that. So I could do stuff like that if I really wanted to. Okay, I think off screen I'm gonna try and mess with this a little bit. Well, not where. Display on ground. Alright, I put this back. I'm gonna take this off. How do I turn this off? Do I have to go back in here? Yes, I'm done. Okay. Nook Inc. We encourage the use of the Island Designer app to liven up the island. We're giving away miles for the first time you use a permit for a path, river, or cliff. I cannot wait to get started with this, but first I want to see the different paths and stuff we can get. First path I want to get is brick. Because I love anything brick. Also, tomorrow's the fishy turn. The fishy. Tomorrow is the fishing tourney. I missed a day. Aww. Oh well. So it's 6,000 each. So 12,000. 14, 16. 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. 28,000 for everything. Ooh, that's gonna be a lot. That's not even counting these things. Well, I guess for right now, I'm gonna focus on getting these two. So, I just need 500 more. So 20... I think it was 28 or 26. But, let's actually see. Ooh, KK Bazaar. This is something I don't have. Hoi. Oh, glasses. Utility sink. Okay, yes, last night I actually did do a little bit of grinding to actually get all of this out, because I want to put most of this, at least, into the bridge so we can finally get this done. I don't know how much bells we need to get this bridge done. Hopefully, enough. But hopefully I have enough already. Also, my foot is falling asleep again. Hopefully I have enough already. Because I really want this bridge. This bridge is gonna be so much helpful. We need 98,000. Ooh. Okay. As much as possible. Please. Get this done. Yes! There's over 17,000. Nice. So tomorrow we should have a brand new brick bridge. Which means I can finally demolish this stone bridge, this wooden log bridge, and make a new one. I don't know the max amount of bridges or inclines you can have on one island. I'm hoping. Trash can. Oh, I want this. I want this. Trash can. This is very useful. Okay, turnip prices. 49 bells. Please, game. Please. It keeps getting worse and worse. It literally keeps getting worse and worse, and I hate that. This is why I don't do turnips. Because it's always an I just don't like doing turnips at all. Alright, I guess let's go ahead and go over to the Able Sisters. See what kind of cute outfits they have. I thought that shadow was a fish for a second. I was like, whoa, it's a big fish. Ooh, I really like that dress there. Sable. Hey, I'm kind of sewn into my machine right now. Sorry, I can't chat, but thanks for stopping by. Sable, you will one day open up to me. Okay, Kung Fu pants? What? Nightgown. Oh, okay. I really like the purple one. Ooh, I can get another, hair clip. Dog nose. I can become one of them. Alright, let's go with this. I'm not wearing the dog nose, by the way. Maybe I'll keep the haircut I have at the moment. I'm not keeping the dog nose. Bobby socks? What? Who's Bobby? I guess let's go with this. Oh, I also found this giant thing. Look how big this is. Look how, imagine finding this in real life. I would, no. I don't even like bug Pokemon, so whatever bugs you humans have in your world, yeah, I'm gonna stay far away from your world. Let's go ahead and find the message in the bottle. Hi Eugene, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Yeah buddy? I'm just out enjoying the cool breezes of Tentarville. That's good. Apparently these flowers over here are blooming a little bit. And they're gonna be orange. Why did I pull out this? No, not that. This. Thank you. Hey, Brofina. Good to see you, Cluckadoo. Island life is so invigorating. Staying inside all day would be terrible. Would be a terrible waste. Well, depending on the certain circumstances of your human world, staying inside is exactly what you should all do. So don't listen to Brofina. Stay inside. And at least until everything is over in your world. Everything's completely fine in my world, but I've seen stuff in the human world going around, and stuff isn't okay. So don't listen to Brofina. Stay inside, and ooh. We got some more windflowers. And we got some more hybrids. Orange pansies. Anything over here? Not that I can see it. Not that I can see. Oh, I almost ran. In my flowers. Let's plant these here. We need more of these. What's this one? I'm guessing that's just a regular yellow. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Okay, I'm definitely going to get the red windflower, because we don't have any windflowers at all on our island. Alright, we just need one more fossil and we found all four. I can't wait until we see... Actually, tomorrow is Saturday, so we might see KK again tomorrow. So that's gonna be exciting. There it is. How about the Bunny Day one? Is the Bunny Day bottle over here too? Nope. I don't know where the Bunny Day one could be. That's a big fish in there. Nope. It's just a regular carp. Nothing special. I guess I can check if I have an... Actually, I don't know whether to go ahead and look for the last fossil, or check if I have enough stone to make my outdoor bath. I remember the day I saw that. Cherry blossom petal pile. Huh? Oh, okay. 5 petals makes apparently 50. Hi, Limburg. Hey, how you doing? Alright, so what to do now? Day's getting away from me. Oh, I forgot about this. Colton. I don't remember a Colton. But, okay. While rereading my diary the other day, I came across this recipe. I never ceased to amaze myself. Sure, I could have kept it to myself, but self-praise can only go so far. Go ahead and give it a try. Your recipe guru, Colton. Golden flooring. What? Four golden nuggets. Okay. Oh, also, speaking of gold, I learned that making that gold trophy that we actually have in our house, if you sell that, that's actually 24,000 bells. Let's go ahead and make a little... Yep, there we go. And boom. But yeah, that's 24,000 bells. So what I actually did is that I made... No, excuse me. I made 2 last night. And I kind of spent the rest of my iron on iron helmets. And I also sold those because each one of those sells for 3,000 bells. And and that's how I got the 90,000 bells in my bank. Everyone else playing this game is doing their little method with the tarantulas and all that. I feel like that's a little cheap, to be honest. But like making items and selling them to the the Nook's cranny. I don't know if that's cheap at all. I guess it sort of is, but what can I do? I was low on bells and I needed a little method. Getting iron isn't even that hard anyways. Like, if I ever need iron, I can just go to a rock and hit it. I should probably also get started on making, Bunny Day, furniture too. I'm gonna have to make those outfits that the game is just shoving in my face like, hey, make these. Please, you're gonna have to make these anyways. I'm gonna have to make those outfits, despite me not wanting to. But, whatever. Also, are they talking to each other? Hey, Norma, can you suggest me a book? Oh, you read radio? That's rather surprising. Well, let's see. I don't know what kind of books you enjoy, but my favorites are Shake It Till You Make It and Flightless Flow, Slimless Fish. Okay, which one has more pictures? Pictures? Neither book has any pictures. They're both novels written by discerning adults. Okay. Which one got turned into the best movie? I can snack while I watch. Shake It Till You Make It was a fine film, I suppose. Although they did change the ending. And the beginning. And the middle. Limburg, that's not even your... Whatever. Anyways, I think I was talking about the trash can. The cool thing about the trash can is that it actually does have a use. Well, actually, I'm gonna put this in my house, actually. Alright, I'm gonna put this in my house. Maybe right here. Garbage, trash bins, you can actually throw away items that you don't want. Like, say you have a rotten turnip, or you have a piece of trash that you fished up. You can just throw it away, and it'll be gone forever. Just be careful you don't throw away stuff that you actually want. Stone, okay. Time to make that outdoor path and place it somewhere. There we go. Oh, wait, no, that actually uses my shovel. I wasn't paying attention. It actually used my shovel. Alright, guess I gotta make a new one. I'm dumb. Okay, this now. I heard people complaining about having to always make a flimsy shovel before making a regular shovel. To be honest, I don't really mind the fact that you have to make a flimsy before making a good shovel. Cause, I don't know, it just doesn't really bother me that much. I guess the only place I didn't really look for a fossil. I guess the only place I didn't really look for a fossil was, on the second floor. Let's go ahead and place this outdoor, but maybe I could place it on the beach, actually. Like, maybe right here. What does this look like? Can I place it on the rock? Ooh. I'm gonna pull this a little bit so that you can actually, well, somewhat squeeze through there. You can squeeze through there and... Yeah, that actually looks really nice. I like that. I really like that. Okay. Yeah, that's going to stay there. Can I make... Oh, I can't turn it off. Alright, whatever. So yeah, that's a really nice spot for an outdoor bath. I still remember looking at that outdoor bath, in the catalog thing, and like, yeah, I'm never picking that. And here I am, trying to find a place for an outdoor bath. I think Rex is actually just officially just stuck up here. He hasn't moved from up here in a long time. Hi, it's me, Rex. I'm gonna go real hard today. Gonna play hard, snack hard, yell cool cat hard. I mean, he is a cat, technically. So, jeez, Rex, why do you keep having so many weeds behind your house? I mean, I guess it is like the 3rd floor, but like, still. Is there anything up here? There's a money tree I could do. I might actually do this money tree. I've been actually learning that you should actually put 10,000 bills in here instead of just putting in the 1,000. Because that's how you make the money. I have a bunch of 10,000 money trees all around here. All around the island. And I can't wait for them to bloom. Or sprout or whatever. There we go. There's the last fossil. So, last night, I couldn't sleep at all lately, so... I ended up staying up till like 6. It was awful. I don't know how Phantom does it. I guess he's just very used to it, but still. I have no idea how he stays up for that long. And acts completely normal somewhat. He has to tell me his secrets one day. Hey, don't ask why I told you that I couldn't sleep last night. I'm just trying to think of stuff to talk about. Hi, Blathers. I have fossils and a bug for you. I also need to put, Welcome Horizons in my, my music box. Make a donation and let's do this. Only one? Really? I guess only one fossil is better than nothing. Actually, let's go ahead and check out our fossils before we end off the episode. I want to see how full this place looks now. Look at that! Whoa! Wait, I have all of them in here. That is cool. See, the fossils are not hard at all to fill up. Hey, it's Nan! How could something as big as this, whatever that says, ever stay in the air? I have no idea how to say that. Alright, let's go ahead and step on the thing. CO4. Look at this. This is 22 days of work. And there's nothing more satisfying than going from a completely empty museum to just filling it out completely. There's nothing more satisfying than that. It's just, Okay, I think I'm gonna end this off here. So, tomorrow on Animal Crossing New Horizons, we're gonna be listening to another KK concert. And we're gonna be trying out one of those permits. We're gonna be trying out maybe the cliff permit. I'm not pretty sure. I'll think about which one I actually want. So, see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.